It's a safe bet that the best baking pans can lead to the best baking batches. Therefore, if you want to indulge yourself and your family members with savory treats, from special Asian-style sweets to luscious American desserts like cake, pie, cookies, etc., you should start thinking about having many different baking pans in the kitchen right now. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 baking pans on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Emile Henry Bread Loaf Baking Pan. This baking pan is imported from France and could complement your kitchen design, especially in retro style. Notably, this bakeware comes with a lid that plays the role of maintaining the baked goods' humidity during cooking time. Therefore, the cakes won't get too dry and become more enjoyable. On top of that, it's made of natural and high-resistant ceramic, which can withstand high temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit in the oven. Also, you are able to put it in a microwave and freezer. In terms of cleaning, it's a non-stick baking pan with a food-grade coating. Moreover, it's dishwasher safe, so you don't have to worry about how to keep it like new after use. Key features: made from HR ceramic, imported from France, oven safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, includes a lid with handles. Number 2. Wilton Perfect Results Fluted Tube Baking Pan. Bundt cakes are a great option with a cup of coffee both at home and at a local church event. If you are a fan of this yummy dessert, I highly recommend you try to bake it with Wilton Perfect Results Fluted Tube Baking Pan. First of all, due to non-stick coating, this bakeware is easy to use and easy to release so that you will have a fantastic bundt cake finish even at the first attempt. Secondly, it's made of heavy-gauge chromium steel. That means it's not only durable but also good at distributing heat. Finally, the pan's measurement is graved clearly on the handle so you can refer to it whenever you need it. Therefore, it's convenient and useful every time you experiment with a new recipe. Key features: high-quality material, flute tube baking pan, comes with convenient handles, non-stick interior, able to make bundt cake, monkey bread, and many recipes. Number 3. Chef-made Champagne Gold Removable Loose Bottom Baking Pan. Chef-made Champagne Gold Removable Loose Bottom Baking Pan is the next product you need to consider if you are looking for a reliable and high-quality tart pan, or you can use it to make pie or quiche. This kitchen staple features a removable bottom for quick food release. Not to mention, it's coated with food-grade silicone so that it enables you to take the cake out as easily as pie. The wavy edges help complete the whole look of traditional tart cakes and become more attractive and appealing. Also, it's made of carbon steel, therefore, it's strong and long-lasting. Key features: made of carbon steel, champagne gold color, 5-inch round pan, wavy edges for perfect tart cakes, removable loose bottom. Number 4. USA Bakeware Round Baking Pan. Let's begin the list with my favorite cake pan. Indeed, this 9-inch round pan is an essential staple in my kitchen. Due to its versatility, it can help you to level up your culinary skills greatly. Sounds exciting? This heavy-duty product is made of commercial-grade aluminized steel and is able to stay with you for a long time. As for operation, it's covered with a non-stick BPA-free layer, so it's safe for you and your family. Moreover, the non-stick coating makes cleaning easier and faster. What is more, the interior is made with grooves, which will increase the functionality and durability. You can use it to make birthday cakes, cheesecakes, tiramisu, sponge cakes, and more. Key features: made of aluminized steel, heavy-duty 9-inch round pan, aluminized steel color, the base with grooves. Number 5. OXO Good Grips Non-Stick Pro Muffin Baking Pan. Why not indulge yourself during office hours with some go-to homemade muffins instead of unhealthy snacks? If you think the same as I do, it's time to buy a decent baking pan for muffins only. OXO Good Grips Non-Stick Pro Muffin Pan might be what you need. The pan features 12 cups of standard size, and each can hold half a cup of batter so that you can make a large batch of baked goods for you and your family. The ceramic coating is applied to the pan to make it resistant to scratches, which also guarantees that it stays non-stick. That's why the cake will become effortless to remove from the tray. Not to mention, the micro-textured pattern of the pan makes it more durable and helps to increase airflow for even heating. Key features: heavy-gauge aluminized steel, 12-cup baking tray with standard size, ceramic-coated non-stick layer, square rolled edges, micro-textured pattern. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.